2018 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, CD player, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.